Do you know dragon fruit? Have you ever tried to eat it? If this is the first time you have heard dragon fruit, this video is for you. Pitaya is well known in Hindi, others call it strawberry pear, or dragon fruit, as it is more commonly known as is a fruit native to South America. Over time, the cultivation has spread to Southeastern Asia as well, and it is quite a common fruit in the countries of China, Thailand, Australia, Hawaii, and Vietnam. The dragon fruit gets its name from the way its peel looks. The outer skin of the dragon fruit is cactus-like the scales of a mythical dragon. The bright pink fruit, with its scaly outer, looks exotic, and probably this is the reason why they get its mystical name. The brilliant reddish-pink hues of this cactus plant suggest that the fruit is rich in nutrients, while the creamy white flesh speckled with black seeds provides numerous rich and natural characteristics. The flavor of dragon fruit has been compared to a mix of kiwi and pear. If you like these kinds of fruits, there's a strong possibility you'll fall in love with dragon fruit as well. The dragon fruit is a superfood because it is low in calories but high in fiber, phytonutrients, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and probiotics, as well as possibly disease-fighting antioxidants. It should come as no surprise that eating it on a daily basis can improve your health and well-being. Here's a rundown of some of the potential benefits of dragon fruit. High in fiber. According to a study conducted by the researchers, increasing fiber-rich food consumption can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and coronary heart disease. Because dragon fruit is high in dietary fiber, it is beneficial to both the heart and blood pressure. The fruit eliminates plaque that clogs arteries, allowing blood to circulate freely throughout the body. Fruit consumption is not only refreshing, but it can also aid in the long-term maintenance of a healthier heart. Helps boost immunity. This fruit is high in vitamin C, which can help you to stay healthy by boosting your immune system. More vitamin C in your system means your body is effectively able to battle illnesses that could put you to death. To keep your immune system healthy, all you have to do is eat 1 cup, 200 grams, of this fruit every day. Vitamin C must be consumed in the diet, because our bodies are unable to make it naturally. Good for digestion. Because of its high fiber content, dragon fruit is thought to be excellent for digestion. The prebiotic fiber promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the body, such as lactobacilli and bifidobacteria. These microorganisms offer us with chemicals that our bodies are unable to produce. Dietary fiber also helps with constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, and other gastrointestinal disorders, by improving bowel movement. Helps stabilize your blood sugar. Blood sugar levels can be reduced by eating dragon fruit. Pre-diabetics and diabetics may benefit from this. The glycemic control of dragon fruits is dose-dependent, according to studies. This indicates that as the amount of dragon fruit consumed increased, the blood sugar levels decrease. The hypoglycemic properties of dragon fruit can aid in the control of blood glucose levels in the blood. Supports healthy hair, skin, and nails. Hair loss can also be caused by an iron shortage. Increasing your iron intake can promote hair development, while also supporting healthy skin and nails. Eating dragon fruit might help reduce acne, treat dry skin, reduce fine line and wrinkles, and eliminate age spots. Iron is an essential mineral that transports oxygen throughout your body, and is required for the development of red blood cells. Vitamin C and iron are important for your body's physical activities, and the dragon fruit is high in both of these nutrients. Vitamin C aids in the absorption of iron, which helps to strengthen the body's defense system. Prevents inflammation. Doctors recommend that you eat dragon fruit if you are suffering from chronic pain caused by illnesses, like arthritis. Anti-inflammatory qualities in dragon fruit can help you get relief from joint and muscle discomfort. People with rheumatoid arthritis may eat dragon fruit on a regular basis. Tenderness and inflammation may be alleviated by the fruit's anti-inflammatory effects. Dragon fruit, according to specialists, can be used as a natural pain reliever for people suffering from chronic pain. Even if it doesn't totally relieve your pain, it may help you live a better quality of life by reducing the severity of the inflammation. Improves eyesight. Vitamin A is a well-known nutrient for eye health. Studies have shown that eating vitamin A-rich foods, like dragon fruit, can improve eyesight and prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. This is due to its antioxidant properties, which fight free radicals and prevent them from causing oxidative damage, which is the main cause of macular degeneration and cataracts. Dragon fruit strengthens bones and teeth. Dragon fruit is very good for our bone and tooth health, since it contains a lot of calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus help to maintain our bones strong and healthy by increasing their density. According to studies, persons who consume dragon fruit on a daily basis have a lower risk of developing bone illnesses, such as osteoporosis. The dragon fruit is a fantastic tropical fruit that you should try. It tastes great, adds a splash of color to your meal, and provides important nutrients, prebiotic fibers, and plant chemicals in a low-calorie serving. Dragon fruit is a wonderful option with numerous possible health advantages, if you're searching for a way to add some diversity to your fruit intake. Eat dragon fruit. We hope you found the information in this video useful, and that you're one step closer to protecting your body against illnesses. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.